In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email domain in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Squarespace dashboard to connect a domain you already own, so your site and email can use the same professional address. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Squarespace website and have your domain name handy. If your domain is registered with a third-party provider, it's also helpful to have that login ready in another tab, since you may need to confirm settings there. From your site dashboard, look to the bottom left corner for the settings gear icon. That's your main control center. Click it to open the settings panel. This is where Squarespace keeps all the important configuration options, including domains and email. Next, select domains and email. Think of this area as the hub for everything related to your web address and the email services that go with it. Even if you're only planning to connect a domain today, it's useful to know that this is also where email-related options live. Now, choose domains. This narrows the view to domain-specific controls. If you've purchased a domain elsewhere, you won't see it listed yet, and that's exactly what we're going to fix. Click Use a domain I own. You're telling Squarespace you already have a domain with another registrar, and you want to connect it here. This is the most common path if you bought your domain from a popular registrar and are bringing it into Squarespace. Enter your domain name exactly as it's registered. Don't include HTTP or HTTPs, just the domain itself. Double check the spelling and consider whether you prefer using the root domain or the www as your primary address. You can set one as primary and have the other redirect, so visitors reach the right place either way. After you enter the domain, Squarespace will scan and display what it needs to connect. You'll typically see a set of DNS records, things like A records and names, that must match at your domain registrar. Keep the Squarespace window open while you update those records at your registrar. If you make changes, allow a bit of time for them to propagate. It can be quick, but sometimes takes up to a day. Back in Squarespace, you'll see status indicators turn successful once everything is aligned. If you plan to use professional email at your domain, this is also the moment to confirm your MX and email authentication records with your email provider so messages deliver reliably and avoid spam. That's it. You've connected your domain through the Squarespace settings, set the stage for clean email routing, and you're ready to present a polished professional presence online.